Go away, Mr. Herbert!
It's not me. I'm in your closet.
Trick or treat!
Take 2. Take 3. Take 4. That's enough. Happy Halloween.
Mr. Herbert, I'm just here to collect for the newspaper.
Here you go. Oh, hang on now, Chris. Your fly's up again.
Thanks, Mr. Herbert.
Well, I hate to say it, but I guess we're supposed to dig this kid up. Any volunteers?
I dig kids. Hey, Mr. Eel. You're slippery. Oops, got away. Left my hand smelling funny.
Aw, crap.
Well, looks like the good Lord just sent me a conversation starter.